Hey guys! Today let's learn how to use the check-in feature on the iPhone on iOS 17. So if you do have the new iOS 17 downloaded on your devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically use this new check-in feature. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically make sure that we have the iOS 17 software is already downloaded on our device. And once you've already done so first, we need to find and create a message with the person you want to go ahead and notify that you want to go ahead and check in. So in this case, I would like you guys to proceed, of course, with going on over the specific messages box. So let's basically launch our messages over here, and let's tap on the new inbox option. From here, you can actually tap on the plus icon. And as you see, we are gonna have the option to basically check in. Just by scrolling down, we're gonna have this option called check-in. And as you see, it's gonna take you through the on-screen instructions to let your friend know if you've arrived with check-in. So in this case, I'm gonna tap on continue, so that I could basically notify a friend that I have already arrived on my destination. So as you see, just shows you some prompts over here, what we can do. So tap on continue. With this basically, you could also choose the data you'd like to share if you don't arrive. So you could actually choose a limited option or the full data option. It'll also basically just show you just a limited amount of your data to that person, but in full, it will show you all of the details, as well as route traveled and location of last iPhone unlocked. In this case, I'm gonna tap on maybe full. I could also change this in the setting. Tap on continue, and it could also to read all of these information. But in this case, let's tap on send a check-in. To continue, as you see, you could now choose a specific contact over here, and you're gonna choose this person. I could easily just go ahead and tap on send to send this person my check-in. That's basically it guys. You could also tap a comment right here, whatever you'd like. And that's it for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.